Early in the morning, I'm charmed this morning. Early in the morning, I'm charmed this morning. So if he tell you send money, you think I need your money yourself, because I know that if you don't do your work today, I'm doing some more work. I don't like to talk too much because the spiritual present actions speak louder than words. Follow the person who knows it. Open your eyes and open your bottoms to shine your eyes to see the real one. Anyone without me, no one can help you for you. Because I'm blocking your chance and open your enemies for you so that you cannot succeed in this life. Wake up and make money. Money important to everyone. If you don't have money, no one can respect him for you, no one can love him for you. But try to make money. A lot of people can call you Alaji, you understand. Try to make money so that the people call you Alaji. What is money? Assalamu alaikum.